Today I am going to teach you about flowchart. What is flowchart? A flowchart is a graphical or symbolic representation of a process or step. So I will show you now about the process and the symbols and what is the meaning of the symbols and how it works in the programming, how it works in the process. Okay, let's do it. Just open MS Word. I have previously set some symbols with description there, so I'll explain one by one. There are some basic flowchart symbols. The first symbol is start end symbol. That means start and end symbols are same. A program always start with the symbol and the end with the symbol. So start and end symbols are same. Okay, this is the start or end symbol. So I can type here start. This symbol means the program has started or the process has been started. There we use this symbol start, and when the program ends, there also we use the symbol end, the same symbol. Now come to the next symbol, input output symbol. That means when the computer takes input from the keyboard or any input devices, that is input symbol. That means input and output symbol is same, so I can write input or output symbol. Now the next symbol is processing symbol. Basically, after taking input, computer goes for process. So this is the symbol for processing and giving the output. Output symbol is the previous one what we have discussed. Now after the processing symbol, the output result will come on the output symbol. So this is processing symbol. So I'm writing processing symbol. The next one is decision symbol. A decision can be yes or no. In the computer, the flowchart or steps can be goes for yes and can be goes for no. So the decision symbol will have two direction. One is yes and another is no. So I can write this symbol as decision symbol. And the last symbols are flow lines symbol. That means from one symbol to another symbol, to show the direction, these symbols are used. So flow line symbols are important. Suppose decision symbol has two direction, yes or no. So the decision box have two flow lines. The other box, start, input, output, processing symbol, have only single flow line. So these are the basic flowchart symbols. Let's go for the example to make it more clear. Let us discuss about this flowchart. Here this is the start symbol. Now the next symbol is input output. So in this input box, temperature is reading. So temperature is the input. So this flowchart input box is taking the temperature, and then the next, after taking the temperature, this is the decision box. The temperature is below 32 or above 32. If below 32, then it will go for yes. If the condition is true, it will go for yes, and then print, that means result, this is the output box, result will come below freezing. And if the temperature is not less than 32, that means no, the condition is false, then the computer will show you, that means the output box will show you above freezing. And then the end, that means the end symbol will come. That means these decision have two decision is here, below 30 and above 30. If yes, that means below freezing. If no, that means above freezing. You can change the word here, because minus 32 is not the below freezing temperature and this is above freezing is okay, but you can change the condition, no problem. But just to understand why the condition is true and why the condition is false, and how the output is coming depending on the condition. Let's go for the next example. Okay, this is the good example. This is the first start symbol. After start, look for lost item. This is the process box. That means here the working is done. Look for the lost item. There is no input box in this process box. That means the process is searching the book. Then it goes to the next box, decision box. That means did you find it? After looking, if you get it, then stop looking. That means no need to search more. If the condition is yes, that the program will end and no need to search. If the program says no, then it will go, do you need it? The another condition is here, do you need it? That means another decision. If yes, then look for lost item. That means it will go again for searching. If no, then it will go for stop looking. That means the program will terminate. Let's go to the next example. This is the algorithm to write an algorithm and draw the flowchart to add two numbers. This is basically flowchart and this is algorithm. Algorithm is just the instruction given step by step, and flowcharts is the graphical representation of the information of the steps. Okay, so this is the algorithm. At first we have to go for start. So here also flowchart also we have given the start along with the symbols, and then the second read A and B, and read A and B. AB is what? AB is a variable where we can store numbers or any values. So read AB means there is two variables, it's called variables A and B, and in that variables we can keep the values. What is variables? Variables is a place where computer keep the values. So A is a place where computer keeps any values, B is a place variable where computer can keep any values. Now the third step is calculate C equal to A plus B. That now A plus B will be added and the total value will go to the variable C. So this time the process box C equal to A plus B. That means if A is 5 and B is 3, total is 8, will go to C. That means the value of C is now 8. After calculation, this is the calculation box. After calculation, the result will come out print C. That means the result will be displayed in this output box. This is the output box, so result will be displayed here. So what result? 5 plus 3 will be 8, display here. After this output, computer here, see the algorithm stop, so computer will stop the program. So this is the easiest way to add two numbers. You can do subtraction, multiplication, division, average, and so many mathematics using this process. So I will give you some assignment After watching this video, you'll do this assignment and submit to me.